What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani from the SCE Event Group bringing you another wedding tips for new DJs. This video is made for DJs entering the wedding space, new to the industry, and this is about introductions. Now, I previously recorded about how to script out introductions. This video is about practicing them. I think it is super important that you as a DJ practice your introductions in front of someone, whether it be your partner, whether it be your brother, your sister, your family, your friends, whatever. I think practicing them out loud before you get on site to the event will help you ease the nerves and get very comfortable speaking and projecting your voice appropriately so your wedding introductions are flawless. Practice them in the car, on the drive over. Practice them at home or in your office. Practice them in your garage or while you're loading up. Practice them in the location before you get started. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Be on the lookout for more wedding tips for new DJs coming to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thanks for watching.